everyone, is your Android phone battery draining fast? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check screen brightness. Lower your screen brightness or turn on adaptive brightness to help save battery. Step 2. Close background apps. Close the apps you are not using. Too many apps running in the background can drain your battery. Step 3. Turn off unused features. Turn off Bluetooth, location or hotspot when you are not using them. Step 4. Check battery usage. Go to settings, battery usage and check which apps are using the most battery. Step 5. Turn on battery saver. Go to settings, battery and turn on battery saver. Step 6. Update your phone. Go to settings, software update and install any available update. Final tip, if your battery is still draining fast, the battery may need to be replaced. And that's it. These steps should help fix fast battery drain on your Android phone. Like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.